I know you saw the thumbnail and you thought, is that really good? Well, yes it is. Pretzel chicken with cheese sauce is very good, and I'm going to make it for you right now. I'm now going to crush the pretzels.
Thank you, Brigetta.
You're welcome. You ready? Oh, that's just about perfect. So I have 3 dishes. The first one you saw, my pretzels. The second one has our milk and 2 eggs. And we're going to mix that up. Our last bowl has flour, garlic powder, I've got salt, pepper, onion powder, and paprika. It does not want to come out. There we go. Most of it. Okay, let's mix that up. Well, I want to say I had the order reversed. So flour, then egg, and then our pretzels. And thanks to Mark, he brought it to my attention. I almost missed it and would have done it all wrong. So now I'm going to do it. So I have our chicken. I've cut the chicken breasts in half and I've pounded them out already. I'm going to put them into the flour. Then into the egg. I want to do both sides. Then into the pretzels. I think I'll move them a little closer there. Okay, I'm going to shake off the excess. Okay, I've got both sides coated. Go on to the next one. All right, we're adding oil to the pan. So about 3 tablespoons. Going to be lightly cooking the chicken about 3 to 4 minutes each side, and then it's going into the oven where it will finish cooking. Get my oil spread around. There we go.
Rack.
I've got them on the rack. They're going to go in the oven maybe about 10 minutes. We're going to check them with our probe. Do not want to overcook them. Now we're going to have to wait. That chicken's already cooked. Because we want it 165 and it's already above that. And I don't want to overcook it. So we're going to let this sit and rest. While the chicken rests, we're going to make the cheese sauce. Okay, we're going to start with our butter. I've added butter to the pot. Next, I'm going to add flour, and that makes a roux. Okay, there's our flour. Now we want to stir that until the flour is all incorporated into the butter. Okay. I'm stirring the flour into the butter until it's fully incorporated. I'm going to slowly add the milk and keep stirring. Whoops. All right, here's our cheese. Mark, why don't you show them what cheese I bought? Smoked Gouda with bacon. Next, we've got salt, pepper, I've got Dijon mustard. I'm gonna need this little thing to get it out. Garlic powder. And if you could hand me the paprika. Thank you. Oh, it looks good. All right. I'm going to turn the temperature down. And I think we're ready to eat. I am so ready to eat this pretzel chicken with cheese sauce.
Looks amazing.
No.
Pretzels on chicken. And I like how thin you pounded the chicken down. I know you didn't show it in the recipe as we prepared it, but
right. I had done that ahead of time.
I always like when, like chicken parm, for example, the cutlets of chicken or veal parm are pounded down. Oh, this looks gorgeous. First thing that hits is the cheese sauce, followed by the pretzels.
Right.
Nothing like a fresh bag of pretzels.
And a little parsley on top just to make it look fancy.
I would say it could use a little more salt.
Okay, I did increase it.
I know that the pretzels have some in it, but
and the cheese.
maybe a little more pepper and a little more salt.
Okay. I can increase it.
But you can always put that on.
Right, you can always
Like
adjust it
now.
to the way you like it.
Yeah,
I mean, we both tried the sauce by itself and it seemed good, but yeah.
You can never take it out. Hang on, I'll be right back. I got a carrot that could use some sauce.
This is really good.
This is like molten lava. Hopefully I don't hurt myself. The anatomy of an ambulance call.
Yeah, it's good on the carrots. Wow, we had carrots. You don't have to use carrots. It'd be great over mashed potatoes, the sauce.
When you say fondue. Wow.
It'd be great over mashed potatoes. Oh, that's definitely the ticket, yeah. This is very good. We highly recommend this.
All right, let's say goodbye to these folks so we can finish this delicious dinner.
All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your time. 2 videos a week. The recipe is always in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye, friends. Yeah, nice. Add this to my favorite list.
Had to clean up all her mess and wear the vintage dress. 45 till I die. Wow, I set my house on fire.